this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. Its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting below the review. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So guys, we meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.